Well, hello, and this is our project of an ellipse. So first, we decided to do is to place two bottles in the foci, and then apply the string at an equidistant distance, so we would mark it. And basically, after putting the bottles down, we stretched out the ribbon, so we would be able to mark the ellipse and make a perfect circular, well, not circular, but oval figure. In here we can be seen making one side of the ellipse with the ribbon. It was quite hard to do it because the bottle kept shaking. Now in here we can be seen actually measuring the distance, the major axis. Then in here we were marking the minor axis of the ellipse. In here we can be seen planning out to make the triangle of Z. After remarking the ellipse, this was how we made a triangle. So first we marked it and then we will just put it over with pink crayon. Now what's important is that the triangle was from the two foci and 1 point from below the ellipse, which we thought would be appropriate to choose the center. After that we measured again the major axis of, and then again the minor axis. After that we made a final measure.
So first we tied to the bottles a ribbon for us to mark the ellipse, and we put the bottles on the foci, and then with our crayon we marked it, like extending it to make an equal distance between the points and the ellipse. So just like in the first ellipse, we decided to put the two bottles with the string and make another ellipse, but this time it was smaller due to the fact that it was easier to make an ellipse with such measurements. Just like the one before, we also had a hard time marking the ellipse because the string kept moving and the bottles were too light.
Y creo que te dije una medida errónea. Son 55 centímetros.
Finally, to make the triangle, we took the same center point and the foci, so it was a lot much more easy.
Yeah. So first we plot 2 points. Then we straight the line in order to get the shape. We plot the points and we get this point that will be called S, and this point have this distance. The distance of focus 1 and focus 2 should be the major axis of the ellipse.
Comparing the two ellipses, what can you observe about the focus and the relation with the eccentricity? What can you conclude about it? So, the distance from the focus to the eccentricity is equal to 2p, and the length of the eccentricity is equal to 4p, so it will be 2p from one side and 2p to the other side. Considering the design of a couple and the gallery of the secrets, which will be a function of the focus, as a point that is in the middle of this geometrical shape, it will be used as a central point where the sound will be reflected. Mention other applications different to the anterior where the ellipse could be used. Finally, we can conclude that the translation that the moon does around the earth could be a good example of an ellipse.